Want to boost your Temu affiliate earnings by focusing on one specific, hot-selling item? Let's dive in. First, log into your Temu affiliate account. Then, locate the area that says something like Promote Specific Products or Individual Item Promotion. It might be under a Marketing Tools tab. Now, use the search bar to find the exact item you want to promote. Be specific with your keywords to get accurate results. For example, instead of women's dress, try searching summer floral midi dress. Once you find your product, click the button to generate your unique affiliate link. This link is how Temu tracks your sales and credits you the commission. Next, copy that link and share it everywhere. Think social media posts with eye-catching images or videos of the product, blog reviews, or even targeted ads. Remember to disclose that it's an affiliate link. And that's it. Promoting specific items is a great way to drive targeted traffic and increase your Temu affiliate income. Subscribe for more tips and let me know in the comments what products you're promoting.